to the shop. Thomas here. Got another HackerBox. HackerBox 0053 ChromaLux. See what this is about. I hope everyone's doing okay with this COVID-19. Hope everyone stays safe and healthy. Let's see what we got. Well, that's interesting. This looks like a dev board. Light sensor and IR receiver, temps, buzzer, switches, LEDs. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Interesting. And I see an iSpy, an Arduino Uno, or a clone anyways. Nice. These jacks are always crooked. That's where it's funny. Yeah, no maker's mark or anything on this. I wonder who makes this. Interesting. What else do we got here? I see a pin. 3.3 TFT LCD shield. Nice. That's awesome. Cool beans. Lots of interesting things here so far. Looks like another OLED. I can't quite see it. Open, says me. Yes, another little OLED. I do believe I don't know, I might be wrong, but it looks like a little laser to me, or it might be a CC sensor, possibly. I don't know. I see two LEDs in there too, so I don't know. Don't know what that is. Interesting though. Got a bag of RGB LEDs. Another little board with some surface mount and some through hole. Has a 4017. Oh, this looks like a this is a lead chaser. That's what that is. I see a 555 too. I do believe that's a lead chaser. And what else have we got here? Looks like another little, yeah, there's a prototype shield. Empty, so you can prototype on your Arduino. Some headers. We got some stickers. What do we got here? Game over. I can barely read that. I a hacker, enter my world. Yeah, that's like really small. Man in the middle. That's cool. Alright, wow, that's a pretty good haul right here. I can't wait to get into this. Alright, see you guys next time.